Last video I have shared the recent update where I was able to do most of the feature while creating a chart as well as uploading a file from the local machine, and there was a plan to add some data platform where we can connect to it and then we can pull some data. Now currently the update where it is, if I see a data, still this is as it is. I can do uh, whatever I want to, like for example I can just do this as well and still save, but there is a magic now. So here what I can do is like I can create a dashboard. Now I can say dashboard 1 and I can just attach any of these. Like for example, currently I have like 4 visualization set up from here. If I see in the data set, I have 1 here and 3 here. Now in the dashboard, if I come here, now I can select any of these. Like for example, I choose 1 and 3. If I create, I have this full data set showing directly in the dashboard, which is kind of cool. And based on that, now the UX I want to improve also, honestly, because this is too big. So maybe I gonna make 3 by 3, so basically 3 column every row. Maybe that will be a good option. I will give a try and see how it works. And there is another new feature where it's still in progress. So I have a page called data platform, where what I can do is like whenever I click a new platform, I can choose a platform whatever I have it. Now since I already have 2 of these data platform, like for example let's say I destroy these 2. Now what I can do, I can choose any of this platform. For example, I can choose Amazon, and then my plan is to add all the configuration. For example, if I want to connect to Amazon, I know that I need access key, whatever, and then I need access ID, something. Let's say this is a dummy data, right? If I'm creating, what I'm gonna do is based on the data, I'm gonna add a new page called connection, or maybe here I'm gonna add a button to be able to get the data. So basically will be probably, if it is Amazon, I know that I have to connect to S3. If it is some other platform, it probably need to connect to another platform, right? So what I can do is like on there I can build the connection as well as allow the user to fetch the data. So for example, like if it is Amazon, I know that I need a path for the S3. I cannot ask for whole path of the access, right, based on the access. Now that could be done either in here. So for example, if I to choose GCP, I need to tell the user, hey, give me a connection as well as the path of the file. So that would be maybe add a new column. So whenever I have the file, I can say like another button called schedule, and based on the scheduler it will gonna pull the data. Or there could be one mechanism where user can push the data also, right, using either lambda or something. But since I'm trying to build everything inside this platform, the best option would be I pull the data from that particular path. But then another issue might come is like syncing the data, because if there is a new file, we want to be able to trigger a load or something, right? That could be difficult from pulling method. Is better to push, so I have to think about those kinds of solution. Maybe I can pull the scheduler or something, so whenever there is a data, I can every day, daily, 3 time or 4 time I can pull the data. So that's another way of doing things, but so far it's been pretty good. So we'll update on the next video how it progress on the connection, as well as whenever I'm pulling the data, I want to make sure that I am adding those data set also here, and then that will be a different types of data set. Like for example, now I have a sample CSV. If I import from Amazon maybe log file or something, I need to be able to parse those and do all those stuff, which will be, I believe, a very good thing, like a very challenging thing I would say, but let's see how it goes. That's all for this video. Thank you.